To send money using Chime. Start by opening the Chime mobile banking app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, log into your Chime account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the Pay Anyone section of the app, which allows you to send money to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account. To do this, click on the Pay Anyone tab and then select Send Money. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number. If the recipient is already a Chime user, the money will be transferred instantly. If the recipient is not a Chime user, they will receive an email or text message with instructions on how to claim the money. The recipient will have 14 days to claim the money before it is returned to your account. When sending money, make sure to double-check the recipient's information to avoid any errors. You should also be aware of Chime's sending limits, which vary depending on your account type and verification status. For example, verified Chime users can send up to $2,000 per month. In addition to sending money, Chime also offers a feature called SpotMe, which allows you to send money even if you do not have sufficient funds in your account. This feature is available to eligible Chime users and can be used to send money in emergency situations. To ensure secure transactions, Chime uses encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your account information. You should also keep your account information and login credentials confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Overall, sending money using Chime is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to anyone with a U.S. bank account. By following these steps and being aware of Chime's features and limits, you can use Chime to send money quickly and easily.